Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can back up contacts on Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you can scroll down your screen until you find accounts and backup. And it's over here guys, just tap on it. Then on the Samsung phone, you can choose either you want to back up your data on Samsung Cloud, or you can also back up your data on Google Drive. And for me, I'm just going to back up my data on Samsung Cloud, so I'm just going to click on this option. Then if you want to back up your contacts on your Android phone, make sure that you turn on the auto backup data. Wait guys. Alright, and if you want to back up the contacts, make sure that you activate this button. You can click on this toggle button until the auto backup data has been activated. And if you want to back up another data on your phone, then you can click on this toggle button. For example, if you want to back up messages on your phone, you can click on this toggle button. Then after that, we can click on backup now right here and click on use mobile data. Alright, and now the data is being backed up, and that's how we can back up contacts on our Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.